Hello my friends, welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Yesterday was the first day of summer, and you know what summer means: hot days. We're gonna sweat more, so we need to hydrate. Yes, did you know that watermelon is 92% water? Incredible. Also, watermelon has more potassium than a banana. Potassium is an electrolyte that can help you with hydration. So today I am making 3 plant fusion drinks. That means I'm combining fruits that can help you hydrate this summer, but using watermelon as the base. As you know, I'm one of the ambassadors of Have a Plant, and I'm always creating ways to eat more plants. So are you ready? Let's get going. The first plant fusion drink that I'm gonna make is watermelon, mint, and lemon juice. This combination is like a match made in summer heaven. The sweetness of watermelon perfectly complements the refreshing coolness of the mint. Simply blend fresh watermelon chunks with a handful of mint leaves. Our second plant fusion is watermelon with cherries. Cherries are bursting with antioxidants and flavor, and when mixed with watermelon, they create a delightful medley of taste. Blend together watermelon chunks with cherries. I'm using frozen cherries, by the way, and voila, a vibrant and nourishing drink that will keep you cool. And our third plant fusion drink is watermelon and pineapple. Pineapple adds a tropical twist to this already refreshing drink. The tanginess of the pineapple balances the natural sweetness of watermelon, creating a tropical paradise in a glass to transport you to an island getaway, perhaps Puerto Rico. And here we have them, my plant fusion drinks. So good. I'm gonna taste the tropical one. Wow, this is so good. Now, if you wanna feel cool to your next pool party, you can make these plant fusion drinks and add in a spirit and have fun. So I hope you have enjoyed today's Caliente Kitchen topic. And remember, make these plant fusion drinks and hydrate this summer. For more information about myself, you can visit manuelvillacorta.com. You will see my blog, more recipes, my books, you name it. If you want me to become your weight loss coach, yes, you can go to my website and schedule a free 20-minute discovery call where I can hear your needs and I can tell you how I can work with you. So, thank you for watching, and until next time, my friends. Bye now.